Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki, and if you're watching this video, it means that you probably just finished my data science crash course. Congratulations! If you haven't done that yet, please see the whole course and data science crash course from the start to the end. It will give you the exposure to all the data science concepts. In this video, I want to answer the question what you can do next. So there are a couple of options. First of all, you should code as much as possible because data science is all about practicality. So you can go to kaggle.com right now, see what are the challenges, download some data sets, download some Jupyter notebooks of other people, see what they're doing with the code, how they play with data, and try to imitate that on your own with your own computer. So that's the first option. The second one is actually to learn even more data science. So first of all, you can go on Coursera and check some of the courses there related to more technical stuff. There are a bunch of courses which are really good, starting with IBM Data Science, Machine Learning at Stanford, and a couple other courses that I will link down below. In this video, I will give you the link to basically all the courses related to data science, machine learning on Coursera. You can check that out. And then the third option is to actually see my other course, which is more related to non-technical stuff. So it complements both Kaggle and courses on Coursera. And the course is called basically Data Science Job, How to Become a Data Scientist. And it focuses on soft skills that you need to acquire, how to prepare your GitHub, how to prepare your LinkedIn profile so that you can get a job. All this in a course which is a live course, which I keep on adding more materials to make it as most current, as most up to date as possible. So if you want to benefit from that, please subscribe. I give you also a link to the website of this course, and happy learning. This is the data science is all about having this road, the career path that you constantly learn, building this mindset of problem solving and actually always trying to learn new stuff, failing, doing that again, failing, doing that again, and don't be scared to ask questions because learning through questions is probably the most important thing. If you know what kind of questions you should ask, then just ask them right away. Don't be scared about others frowning upon you or like thinking you're not smart enough. You just get there along with time, and asking questions is the best way possible. So having said that, please check all those materials, Kaggle, Coursera courses, my data science job course, and good luck with your data science career. Thank you for watching.